What's up, guys? So it's been a while, or not a while, but it's been I think a few weeks since I made a video. But I wanted to do an update on the channel, what's going on in our lives. So me and my wife and our 3 kids, or 4, why am I saying 3? Anyways, our 4 kids have bought a new property. We sold our old house. We moved up in the mountains of the Ozark National Forest. We bought this house and 3 acres. I've been really busy the last month and a half or so, getting moved. I started remodeling the house. The structure of the house is in really good shape. It just needs a lot of updating, new roof, AC unit, I mean everything. So I plan on gutting it inside and out, and remodeling everything. So it's gonna be a slow process, but we've already started to demo a little bit. I was just gonna hop on here and make a quick video. I'll do a quick walk around, kind of showing y'all some of the stuff that we're gonna do. So the house is chaotic, the property's chaotic. I'll quit rambling and I'll show you a quick walk around of the property. All right, so the first thing we did was we built a new driveway. The old driveway was really bad. So we several loads of gravel later, and we got a really nice road. I can show some drone shots and some footage of that. But yeah, so we're really thankful that we got a new driveway up to the property, because it was really tough getting up here. But so yeah, that's the first thing we did, was we got a new driveway. So the next thing we've been working on is the carport. So the last couple days I've been tearing down these rock walls, all this rock. There was 2 rock walls here and there, knocked those down, and then we had rock on the walls, and then we had no chimney. So we're going to turn this carport into a living room. So that's why we're getting rid of all the rock in here. That'll probably be the next video, is me working on all this rock. But anyways, so that wasn't too terrible, but we got all that done. We bought this baby the other day. It is a wood cook stove. So got an oven here. So you can see an oven on one side, and this is the firebox on the other. But cook on top. So I'm super excited about this. So I'm ready to get that installed. So be looking for that on another video. So anyways, we'll hop into the house real quick. Kind of show you just a few shots in here of what we got going on. All right, so this is the house. It needs a lot of work. We just got stuff thrown everywhere in here. But the kitchen, all this is going to be remodeled. I mean, all this is getting gutted pretty soon. There's our old stove. Our new stove is probably going to go over here in the corner. We're going to do some brickwork going up here. We're getting all new windows, all new doors. Yeah, but all this will be changed in here. Everything. We got the good old popcorn ceiling up here. All that's going. We're actually hanging sheetrock. We're going to get rid of this paneling. New floors, because this house was built in '77. This is probably the original floors, so they're pretty gross. So anyways, we just cook in here and kind of hang out in here, and we sleep in the camper. But back there is the three bedrooms, 1 bath, laundry room over here. We've already kind of gutted them out. Well, the 3 bedrooms we've gutted out. So I can show you some videos of those. So basically that's the house. I was just going to make a quick video kind of showing y'all just the house, and kind of just a before, we tear into it. We kind of already tore into it, but it's going to look totally different. So I'm really excited to get it finished. So if y'all are into this, stick around, because the next several videos will probably be us remodeling our house. So anyways, thanks for stopping by and checking out the channel, and we'll see you all in the next one.